All right, Milano family. So we're here at the Fords, one of their condos that uses Airbnbs, and they're just beautiful. We're in condo number A. We're going to go see Frankie and give him his little gift.
Well, hello.
Hello. Nice to see you.
You
This
too.
is for you.
Thank you so much.
Huh? Get a little something, something. Come on in. Follow us. These are one of my favorites that we've done. And as you can see, they're absolutely incredible. So we're going to walk over this way. Come on by. Scoot. So let's talk about this. I mean, it's just absolutely, this is a showpiece. And again, we mentioned it's an Airbnb.
Mm-hmm.
And as far as specificities, you know, this is the Armani Gray quartz. We've got the Zenit black. So the whole theme is with the black tones. You wanted, or you had a vision to really make it something, being that it's an Airbnb. Mm-hmm. So how has it worked for you as far as clients that are coming in? You had it, we remodeled it when, how long ago?
We did it about 3 years ago.
About 3 years ago. So this is in the beginning when we first came to Myrtle Beach. And I'm assuming it really has done great. So you tell us.
It has done great, and we got great reviews. People love the modern, theme, and they're just blown away with, how nice it is.
Well, it's gorgeous. And let's take some close-ups and just pan around with the shelving, the hood, the full height backsplash up the center. It's really, really making a statement. Scoot on over. And the cabinets, of course, it's the Zenit, but look, it's the soft close. Mm-hmm. The handles that your wife selected are just incredible. And I love it with the stainless here, here. It really makes a statement. Now look at this pantry over this way. Wow. And here we've got the microwave hidden. We've got other things that are hidden up here. We've got the pullouts that are just fantastic. So it's super functional.
Yeah, very functional. And it's clean, neat.
Nice.
Oop.
Absolutely incredible. The faucet, beautiful. It's really just stands out, makes a statement. And the functionality, I think, is really, really good. Have you had reviews or responses from your Airbnb tenants that they've spoken about how incredible the experience was?
Absolutely, yeah. And they talk about how comfortable they are, because it has a homey feel.
Definitely.
And so nothing but positive.
All right, so we're going to go through the rest of the home. We're going to see the bathrooms. We're going to see everything. We're going to go to Unit B and C. But for now, we will see you in just a minute.